Here I have LENOVO Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Play Store. When you're in a Play Store, tap on this your account icon in the right upper corner. Then go to the My Apps and Games. And here, like in this section, you have your updates pending. Here you can see all of your unupdated apps, so you can update them all by tapping Update All button, or just like update one specific app which you need right now by tapping Update button next to it. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.